delicious, hearty chicken noodle soup to warm your soul. Throw it all together in 5 minutes and in the oven in 20, and you'll have a filling dinner for about $1.82. Don't believe me? Watch this. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator. I help you hack your kitchen with quick, easy, budget-friendly meals using only shelf-stable ingredients straight from your pantry. Who doesn't love a warm chicken noodle soup? But you don't have all day to boil the chicken and dice all the vegetables. You can make this delicious chicken noodle soup using only canned and shelf-stable ingredients. Never worry about dicing all the carrots, celery, and watering eyes from those onions. You can make this on the stovetop, but this video is my oven hack. Throw it all together in 5 minutes, throw it in the oven, and you've got dinner. I'm hungry, and it's cold and rainy outside, so let's get started on this oven hack for delicious chicken noodle soup. For starters, we're gonna preheat our oven to 450, and then we are going to start our kettle. Now, while both of those are heating up, we're going to get started on our ingredients. We're going to add 1 can of drained sliced carrots, 1 12.5-ounce can of drained chicken breast, 1/4 cup of dehydrated onions, 1/4 cup of dehydrated celery, 1/2 tablespoon of dehydrated green onions, 1 tablespoon of powdered chicken bouillon, 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/2 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Now we're gonna stir all these ingredients together. Make sure all the chicken chunks get all broken up. All right, once you got it all mixed up and it's looking something like that, now we're going to add 16 ounces of egg noodles right on top. And we're gonna cover it with 6 cups of boiling water. Okay, once you got your water all poured in, we're gonna give it a quick stir. Make sure all of our ingredients is getting covered by the water. Once you got all your noodles, meat, and veggies all mixed together and it's looking something like that, it actually smells really good. Now we're going to cover it with some aluminum foil. And we're gonna stick it in our preheated oven to 450 for 20 minutes. All right, our chicken noodle has been in the oven for about 20 minutes and it is piping hot and ready to go. Steaming. Look at that. It smells so good. So now we just gotta give it a good stir. See how the noodles have absorbed almost all of the water. So now the only thing left to do is dish up. And this serves 5, so these portions are huge. Look at that. The only thing left to do is enjoy. Let me know in the comments if you prefer the oven or the stovetop method. I really have no preference, just depends on the day. If I have a zillion other things I need to be doing, I love throwing dinner in the oven and forgetting about it. But if I'm in a rush for dinner and have a few minutes to stand by the stove, cooking on the stovetop can be a lot quicker. Either way, still quick, easy, delicious dinner. And be sure to follow me for more amazing recipes using only shelf-stable ingredients, and check out loadedpotato.org to see all of our recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and recommended products to save you time, money, and reduce your dependence on the refrigerator. Till next time. Oh my gosh, I'm burning my fingers off. Ow! Now I made this chicken noodle soup to serve 5. But check out my recipes on loadedpotato.org and you can get the recipe to feed anywhere from 5 to 20 people, which is great if you have a big family or just want extra leftovers. And while you're there, check out our auto grocery calculator. If you want to have this meal on hand ready to go in the pantry, and it will calculate exactly the groceries you need to feed this and any other loaded potato meal for 1 meal for 5 people or 20 people every night for 10 years. You pick your meals and we do all the calculating. Even add to your Walmart or Amazon fresh cart right from our site, all free. loadedpotato.org.